Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class we will discuss about between option and highlight cell rules, right? So in the previous class we had discussed about less than option, right? In the highlight cell rules. So in this class we'll discuss about between option and highlight cell rules. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you can see my data, right? So the name, iPhone, right? So all this data. So first of all, you have to select all this data like this, right? First, you have to select all this data, right? And go to the conditional formatting, click on it, and you have to go to the highlight cell rules and click on between button, and it will ask from where to where the color has to change. So now I will give 75, 75, and I'll give green color, right? So wherever in between 75 to 800, then that cell value will become in green color, right? So then that cell value will become in green color. So I hope you understand how to use between option and highlight cell rules, right? See here. So wherever in between 75 to 100, so those cells have changed into the green color, right? So in this way you can use it. And if you want to select like this, you can select like this and click on highlight cell rules and between, right? So for example, if you want 0 to 35, 0 to 35, you want red, then you have to click on OK. So wherever you are having a 0 to 35, those values will become red, right? Those values will become red. So in this way you can format the cells, right? You can format the cells by using between option in highlight cell rules. So I hope you understand this class, and if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.